Welcome to another episode of Saint Vincent Untold Stories. On this episode, we just want to give you the recent update of what is going on in St. Vincent and the Grenadines pertaining to the La Soufrière volcano. And a man cries out, so they are not being treated properly in the shelters. Big ups to all of my subscribers, and if you are new to the channel, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon if you wish to see more videos like this one. Customs, there was a container that arrived from the United Kingdom since last week. Why are they taking so long to release the barrels? Is something wrong? There are people in need right now who is waiting on that container to be opened. What is the hold up? Well, as you know by now, PM Gonsalves is in Cuba, passing orders, telling the evacuees to move back home. Question. What is the problem now with the e-passports? How are persons going to get the new ones? How are they going to get back their monies? Remember in a previous episode, I told you what took place in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I told you that when the volcano erupted, most persons went and took out a passport to try see if they could leave the island. And shortly after, the guys changed their passport and brought in some new one. So now you have to go take the new one. So what are we going to do as Vincentians? Are we going to sit back and allow this to happen? So you take a passport 2 weeks ago and you have to come back and take out another one again. That is rubbish. Those people on the road gang work. What are you cleaning? Are you cleaning bush or ash? Please tell us. Did the government provide a face mask, suits, and water boots for you guys? Remember, they were the ones saying that the ash could get you sick. So hope that you are protected properly, because in the long run, it could affect you. A few young mothers have reached out to Untold Stories asking her for help. One said that someone gave her some stuff and went on social media and boasted about it. But I told her at Untold Stories we don't do that. So we'll do some reaching out and see if we'll get some help for her and the rest of the mothers. Oh my boy, sad situation. I would play a video showing you what is really going on in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Action at the shelters. What is really going on in these shelters? We saw video clips of a guy being hit. Oh my, why country people and leeward people cannot cool themselves at the shelters? Right, and now I am going to show you a short clip of what is really going on within the shelters.
They give me dry bread with some water for drink. And they get all the rest thing for them. But they gone. Me think we they become for me. None of them not eating comfort. But me quite satisfied with the dry bread. The same thing they give you to tuna chew. And I say sometimes, me just have to cry.
You bad to get away.
Well, me not bad.
You see what is going on there. Once you are not one of their card holders, you are going to face some pressure because, as I told you before, there are persons in the private home working with the government, receiving a box from Nemo every week. And here we have a man saying that they normally bring dry bread and water for him. Oh my. My friend, it's better you don't go back to Sunday, but you see I'm warning you all. You are going to go back to face the same thing over and over again, and people don't understand. If Untold Stories don't talk about it, they'll cover it up. You saw that video that I did with Bongo. That is what is taking place within our society. Well, imagine the road people went out to do work, and it's the same set of people they gave work again. You are telling me something is definitely wrong. I just want to big up everybody in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the regional islands and the international countries that are supporting and praying for us. Please help out if you can, because you are seeing what is taking place. I'm out.